Welcome, everybody. This is the weekly agenda for Biblical Traditions, week of 1019. So what will we be learning this week? We will finish up the Ruth tradition. In some classes we finished this last Tuesday, but in other classes we had maybe one more of the three hermeneutical principles that will guide us this semester in how we're going to read Scripture. So, if you remember, the reason we did Ruth after the Psalms was to introduce the concept of historical context and how fundamental historical context is in understanding Scripture. And so, what we'll do this week is we'll introduce a new biblical tradition, the Exodus tradition. And in order to understand the Exodus tradition, we have to put the Exodus tradition in its historical context. And there's three terms that I'll introduce you to. Pitt, ATM, and RAPEC. So the peasant insurrection theory, the Asiatic tributary model, and the radical egalitarian peasant community. And that will be through our notes, but if you understand, this will be a very thumbnail sketch, of the historical context. But if you sort of get those three ideas, those three terms and what they represent, you'll have a good understanding of the historical context in which the Exodus tradition was written. In order to sort of explore and put a little bit more meat on that skeletal outline, we'll watch sections from Nova's The Bible's Buried Secrets, Beyond Fact or Fiction. So for some of the theories and the radical egalitarian peasant community, it'll show you the archaeological evidence of those. So for assignments this week, since we're starting a new unit, we just finished a test. What we'll be looking at is there will be a reading and answer some questions on the ATM, the Pitt and the RAPEC. There'll be a viewing guide to fill out in class for Nova, and I also will give you the 4 review questions for Chapter 3 and 5. They won't be due until way next week, but if you want to get ahead and do those if you have time this week, they will be on campus. All right, so I look forward to a nice week this week, and look forward to seeing you in class. Bye-bye.